Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I wanted to show you a less used yet useful feature of Google Maps, which is very useful for people who are traveling. It is known as offline maps. So you can download the entire maps into your phone and use it when you have limited connectivity or no data connectivity. So let's say various locations in Dubai. Now you see these are the various locations in Dubai, and now if you see this is Palm Jumeirah Island. Now if you look at some other place, I can see in Dubai. Let me go and zoom into another place. So yeah, marine protected area. So let's see this area, right? So now what I will say is that I'll go to the map and click on offline maps. So I say select your own map. So I am living in this area. Let's say I'm living in this area. I'll just go here and say download. So what it will do is it will download the map of Al Tabila into my phone. So I've already downloaded the Palm Jumeirah area. So let me go to Palm Jumeirah. Now if I show you, I am turning off my internet. Now if I go to Palm Jumeirah, so this is Palm Javeli. So this is Palm Jumeirah. Now Palm Jumeirah is already downloaded. As you can see, I have access to places in that. I can also see various information there, opening time, closing time. So I can access all this information easily. So if you see this, I can see other information there. Now if I want to commute in this area without internet, I can do that too. So now this is the view of the palm. So let's view of the palm. Yep, this is the one. Now from here I'm asking for the direction. Okay, so I'm gonna choose on the map. So I'm gonna choose on the map. From here I want to go to somewhere here. Yep. So if I do that, okay, let me do it on the map. Okay. So it's asking for internet. That's okay. Let me try to do it again. Palm Jumeirah. Yeah. Now you see, I'm able to commute in this area. So this is the use of Google Maps offline. So using that, even if you don't have access to internet, you can download that particular area on the map and you can navigate. So now if you have GPS, which will work. So if you connect to GPS, I am not in Palm Jumeirah right now. So if I connect to internet, and without internet I can connect to a GPS, then it will show my location on the map as I move on the ground. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.